Ugh. Seriously, we still have halogen lights in this car? Maybe if I take this LED and just... Perfect. One of the first things I see people change out in these cars are the halogen lights in the map lights, dome lights, vanity mirrors, and trunk light. The bright white light output and just the increase in light output definitely makes these worthwhile. And the dull orange light output from the halogen bulbs just isn't too appealing. So that is exactly what we're going to be covering in this week's 2-Minute Tuesday. Let's put 2 minutes on the clock, and I'll show you how easy it is. We're going to start off with the map lights up front here. If you look closely on either side, there is a small slot that you're able to stick a small flathead screwdriver in, and then you can pry down to pop the lens cover off. That reveals the bulbs, which you can just pop out. Make sure they're not too hot to touch, obviously. Then you can just pop your new LED bulbs in place. And then you reinstall the cover. Since we're already here, we'll move on to the vanity lights. Same thing, there's a small slit on the bottom portion here where you can pry the cover off. And then you can pull the bulb out. And the new LED bulbs pop right into place. In the back, we have the dome light here. The slit to pop the cover off is located in the back. Then the bulb just pops right out, and the LED bulb goes right in its place. Reinstall the cover, and there we go. Last but certainly not least, we have the trunk light. We're first going to pop off this plastic cover. There's 2 tabs on both sides. Then we can pull the halogen bulb out, and the LED bulb slides right into place. That's really all there is to it, guys. It's super simple. You can either get these individually or you can get a package that includes everything you need. I'll link everything in the description down below. But that's all I've got for this week's 2-Minute Tuesday. I'll see you guys next week. Then we can pull the bulb out. Oh, that's hot. Same thing, there is a small slot on the bottom here. Oops. That's all there is to it, guys. It's that simple. Why do I keep grabbing this e-brake? It's super weird. Okay. Ah.